estimate there are nearly 200 species of snakes here, and most of these snakes are found in the rainforest. Every year, around 120,000 people die worldwide due to snake bites.
I'm searching for the bushmaster snake. Finding it in these forests is not an easy task because it is adept at hiding. There is snake wasp in here. Snakes shed their skin about 4 times a year because their body size increases. This is excellent and complete. This is not the bushmaster snake. It's a vine snake. This indicates that this area has snakes. This area is very suitable for snakes because it has water